Hello, my scorpions. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Hope you guys are doing good and have followed all the rules of the lockdown and quarantine and are safe with your loved ones. Scorpions, this is the reading for your sign for the month of June, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. It's a collective reading, so please note that it won't resonate with all. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Also, do not forget to check the other placements in your chart. All right. So Scorpios, today I'm going to do the situation, action, outcome reading for you guys, followed by your overall energy and 2 oracle messages. I had already meditated over your energy, Scorpions. The kind of energy I was getting was quite an anxious kind of a feeling, a little unsettling kind of a feeling, not some. I was not feeling at peace with myself when I was meditating. I really had to instruct myself or soothe myself or calm myself down. And when I pulled your cards, guys, there's no wonder why I was feeling so. So let me quickly show you the cards that have come out for you. In your current situation, there's King of Cups, clarified by 7 of Pentacles and 8 of Wands. So guys, I feel that you have for some of you have already done some work, and you have like what do you say, you have kind of sown the seed, and you're kind of waiting for something. You're waiting for some reply, you're waiting for some communication to come, you're waiting to hear from someone. Okay, so it might be a job that you have applied for, or an interview that you have given, and you're just you're waiting for that response. You're waiting to hear from that company. For a group of you, there is someone who has expressed his or her emotions to you, and they are awaiting your reply. They are waiting for you, they are waiting to hear from you, a little in anticipation, like what will be your reply, what will be the outcome of that interaction. So they're really kind of probably that's where this anxiety or this uneasy feeling was coming through. You are like waiting in anticipation for for something or someone. You're waiting to hear for someone. Probably someone is going to come and meet you. Okay, or you are planning to go and meet someone who is not located in the same society, please forgive me, in the same area as yours or same city as yours, and you are probably planning to travel to meet to that person. And for some of you, for some of you, there is some kind of communication that is headed towards your way. Whatever it is you're waiting for, expect that you'll get it soon. You'll hear from that person, or you'll hear from that company, or about that job that you're waiting for. The overall energy is quite of anticipation and anxiety and nervousness is what I'm feeling for you guys in the current situation. In the suggested position, there is a Temperance, and I'm so happy that this card has come out as the suggestion or the guidance that the spirit guides or the universe is giving you, is that you're lacking balance, guys. You need to get hold of yourself. Otherwise, you'll in the future position, there's this 9 of Swords. If you do not get grip of your emotions or your anxiety, you might really get you might get frustrated. You'll end up being frustrated, you'll end up being anxious, you'll end up being more anxious and get into a phase of sleeplessness. So the loud and clear cry out here is balance things out. There is no need to get so much worked up. Believe in the divine, believe in the timing of the universe. Whatever it is that you are waiting for, know that it will come to you at the right time, and it is headed towards your way. So just be patient, guys. Don't lose your balance in this. Do not be so anxious, and do not be so worked up, that you just start losing it. So please try to get hold of yourself, do the balancing act, practice some spirituality, meditate, go for a walk. I know it's a lockdown period and you cannot go out per se, but try to do some kind of physical activity, like be it having rounds in your society, or be it working out at your home. So physical exercises as well as mental exercises in terms of meditation and all is what is called for through this temperance. So otherwise, trust me, you're going to end up in this situation which we don't want you to be. Okay, in your overall energy, guys, this Page of Cups, the High Priestess, very interesting cards, guys, the Seven of Wands, and these were clarified by Moon and Justice. So it's a very interesting thing, guys. Again, this Justice is a call out for the act of balance. You just have to balance your energies. Also, it says that whatever it is you're waiting for, whatever it is you're waiting for in anticipation, that is going to be in your favor. If you are waiting for that offer later, like I said, if you have already given that interview, or you are waiting for that offer, then it is going to be in your favor. Or if you have applied for a job, then you are going to get that interview call. Whatever it is, you are going to progress at one level up, and it's going to be in your favor, guys. So do not lose your balance. Okay, and one important message is, pay attention to your intuition. All these three cards, they're suggesting, this is the Moon card, this is the High Priestess, and this is the Page of Cups. Please be attentive to your intuitions. Your subconscious is trying to give you some messages, it's trying to give you some signals. If an idea comes out of the blue to you, I mean, there's a high possibility that you'll get some euphoria kind of a moment, an idea, an aha moment, and you'll get that idea just out of the blue. Know that the universe or your subconscious is giving this idea to you, and it's heading you it's pushing you one step ahead, it's giving you one clue towards success. So just pay attention to your intuition, be mindful. Please practice meditation. This temperance and this High Priestess, they are for sure calling up for you guys to meditate. Only then you'll be able to tap your inner powers. Everyone has this inner powers, it's just a matter of listening to them. That's why we urge to meditate. When you start meditating, you'll find answers miraculously. The shut doors starts opening miraculously. So just meditate, contemplate, introspect, listen to your gut feeling, and take the actions. Also, for some of you, you'll hear unexpectedly from someone, like you'll get a message, text, email, whatever it is. The communication is going to be like just out of the blue. It will come at the time when you are not expecting. Okay, and that message is what you are actually looking for. It is it's the communication that you're waiting for, but that will come just at an unexpected time. It will come when you are least expecting it. Okay, so guys, whatever conflict you have right now, that can be settled only and only through balancing your energies, by meditating and being assertive about the situation, being positive about the situation, and just getting grip of the situation, whatever it is. Don't enter into any conflicts unnecessarily. Let's quickly see what message do we have from the divine for you guys from this beautiful deck. The spirit guides, guardian angels, one message for my Scorpions from your beautiful deck. The spirit guides, guardian angels, archangels, please give me one guiding message for my Scorpions, so that it will help them to take the right actions. The spirit guides, guardian angels, archangels, please give me one message from your beautiful deck for my Scorpions. One message for my Scorpions, please. One message. Those are too many messages. The spirit guides, guardian angels, archangels, give me one message for my Sorry guys, I usually pause the shuffling time so that the videos don't get too lengthy and we can focus the time on readings. So this card eventually just popped up while shuffling. So it says a personal issue reaches resolution. I really like this card. It's full moon in Cancer again. Also I think, yeah, you guys are dealing a lot with fellow water sign or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I can see a lot of water in the chart, and that's the reason why there are so much emotions or there is so much anxiety that I am experiencing here in this reading. So let's quickly see what this card has to say. A personal issue is reaching its resolution. So whatever it is that is you're waiting for in anticipation, I think this card signifies this justice. Yeah, so it says things are likely to get very heated as full moon in Cancer is a super emotional sign. So there could be something of an explosion of feelings around now or surrounding your question. It's important to be sensitive to other people when you pull this card. There are some very fine sensibilities around, so tread carefully as you move towards your goal or dreams. This card indicates an especially feminine time. It also heralds the time to deal with any family issues coming up. Nothing to worry about. It signals a challenge is now coming to an end. This card also suggests both that a domestic matter or a private issue will soon come to a head, and that it's a great time to move house. The answer to your question lies in being a kind leader. This is the time for you to step up and agree to overcome your insecurities. Attuned to the moon, it may be best to move towards what you want in a sideways manner. Additional meanings of this card are meditate to soothe heightened emotions. Wow, I really am not surprised that it is shown in this message also. Like I said, you really are called for meditation, guys. Please take it seriously. Don't be clingy. Stop sulking. Okay. Have you had enough family time lately? The teaching is the heightened emotions of the moon Cancer combination can't be ignored. However, Cancer is one of the moon's two home signs along with Taurus. So, astrologically speaking, the moon loves to be in this sign. In fact, she rules Cancer. This means that with this card, there is a sense that all is as it should be, or don't worry, all will soon be well. Like I said, believe in the divine timing, guys. That is what the message last line was suggesting, that don't be impatient, believe in divine timing. Whatever it is that you are waiting for is going to come to a positive end, or it's going to be a positive outcome. Whatever it is, you just have to have patience, let's quickly see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck, another beautiful oracle deck that I use, which is Magical Mermaids and Dolphins. Dear Spirit Guides, Guardian Angels, one message for my beautiful Scorpions for this month of June, please. Dear Spirit Guides, Guardian Angels, Archangels, please give me one message for my Scorpions for the month of June. One message for my Scorpions for the month of June, please. One guiding message for my Scorpions for the month of June, please. Dear Spirit Guides, Guardian Angels, Archangels, please give me one. Like the other card, this also smoothly fit. Wow. Look at this, man. Divine magic. Like I said, you have to believe in divine timing. Extra magical energy surrounds your situation right now. Expect miracles. Wow. What else can you ask for, guys? I'm so happy for you. Whatever it is you're waiting, it's going to be really good and in your favor. Let's quickly read this. So the card says, this card signifies that the next oracle card you pull out of the deck is surrounded by divine magical energy. The divine magic card urges you to pay very special attention to this card and do your best to follow its message. The divine magic card indicates that a spiritual gateway has opened for you. At such times, your ability to manifest is heightened. Use this time to focus upon your desires. If you are unsure what you truly want, ask for divine guidance through prayer, meditation, or ritual. Again, meditation is called for. I'm just curious which is the next card. Okay. This is your divine magical card that this earlier message was talking about. It says try different ventures and experiences as you go, as a way to grow and learn. So whoever it is applicable for, break free out of your comfort zone and try different things out, guys. I really liked it. It was a cute and positive message. Overall the reading was positive, though the energy right now is of confusion and anticipation. Know that the outcome is in your favor, so just hang in there, be positive, balance yourself, get a grip of yourself, guys. Okay, I liked your reading. I hoped you liked the reading too. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have already not done so, and hit the notification bell so that you are intimated about the next upload that I do. Do let me know about your experiences or your thoughts about this reading or any earlier readings, like if something that I said has come true for you. Like for example, there were I heard from one of my followers for whom reading that I had done for Pisces in the month of April came true for that follower in the month of May, and that follower had written to me, and it was such a lovely experience, to hear when such things happen for the readers. So yeah, please feel free to share your experiences, guys. Whatever it is, drop the message in the comment box. Okay, so yeah, good luck to you, whatever it is you're waiting for, guys. Stay safe. Bye, take care.